Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Welcome back to my video. I'm Rita Farmadevi, an accounting student class F. A partnership is an unincorporated association of two or more individuals to carry on a business for profit. Many small businesses, including retail, service, and professional practitioners, are organized as partnerships. Talking about the characteristic of a partnership, so we talk about limited life, mutual agency, and limited liability, ease of formation, transfer of ownership, management structure and operation, relative lack or of regulations, and number of partners. So let's begin. Characteristic of a partnership. A partnership agreement may be oral or written. However, to avoid misunderstandings, the partnership agreement should be in writing. The agreement should identify the partner, their respective business-related duties and responsibilities, how income will be shared, the criteria of additional investment and withdrawals, and the guidelines for adding partners, the withdrawal of a partner, and liquidation of the partnership. For income tax purposes, the partnership files an information return only. Each partner shares in the net income or loss of the partnership and includes this amount of his or her own tax return. We start from limited life. The life of a partnership may be established as a certain number of years by the agreement. If no such agreement is made, the debt, inability to carry out specific responsibilities, bankruptcy, or the desire of a partner to withdraw automatically terminates the partnership. Every time a partner withdraws or is added, a new partnership agreement is required if the business will continue to operate as a partnership. With proper provisions, the partnership's business may continue and the termination or withdrawal of the partnership will be a documentation issue that does not impact ongoing operation of the partnership. Mutual agency. In a partnership, the partners are agents for the partnership. As such, one partner may legally bind the partnership to a contract or agreement that appears to be in line with the partnership operation. As most partnerships create unlimited ability for its partner, it's important to know something about potential partner before begin a partnership. Although partner may limit a partner's ability to enter into contracts of the company's behalf, this limit only applies if the third party entering into the contract is aware of the limitation. It's the partner's responsibility to notify third parties that a particular partner is limited in his or her ability to enter into contract. Unlimited ability. Partner may be called on to use their personal assets to satisfy partnership debt when the partnership cannot meet its obligation. If one partner does not have sufficient assets to meet his or her share of the partnership debt, the other partner can be held individually liable by the creditor requiring payment. Is of formation. Other than registration of the business, a partnership has few requirements to be formed. And then transfer of ownership. Although it's relatively easy to dissolve a partnership, the transfer of ownership, whether to a new or existing partner, requires approval of the remaining partners. And then agreement structure and operation. In most partnerships, partners are involved in operating the business. Their regular involvement makes critical decisions easier as formal meetings are not required to get approval before action can be taken. If the partners agree on a change in strategy or structure, or approve a purchase of needed equipment, no additional approvals are needed. And relative lack of regulation. Most governmental regulations and reporting requirements are written for corporations, although the number of sole proprietors and partnerships exceeds the number of corporations. The level of sales and profits generated by corporations are much greater. And the last one, number of partnership. And the last, number of partners. The formula of decision making in a partnership tend to work well with a small number of partners. Having a large number of partners, particularly if all are involved in operating the business, can make decision much more difficult. Okay, I think that's all about my explanation about partnership. I hope this can be useful for you, and thank you for watching. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.